Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Zebco 33 Micro Spincast Fishing Reel. With 7 stainless steel ball bearings, this spincast reel invented by expertly Zebco is at the top of the market. This Zebco spincast reel might be considered one of the more experienced reels. Their components, however, have been improved with a stainless steel cover and a lightweight graphite frame. If you want to improve your casting, the Zebco 33 Micro Spincast Reel will not let you down. It features micro-fine drag adjustment, which allows you to manage the line speed as it exits the spool. For the expert angler, a twin paddle handle structure allows for effortless modifications. The Omega Pro has the same 3.4:1 gear ratio as the standard Omega, as well as anti-reverse, left or right hand retrieval, and a line capacity of 85 yards using 6-pound test line. When jigging, cranking in buzz bait, or tricking those largemouth bass with a popper, a rapid retrieve of 14 inches each turn gives you more control. Zebco reels are popular among bass fishermen of all ages because of their steady performance. Our second best spincast reel is Pflueger President Spincast Reel. If you had only one spin casting reel to use in various settings, the Pflueger President is the go-to default. It will match all those must-haves on your list. It is arguably the best value in a closed-face reel, and the construction level is pure quality. For the expert angler, a twin paddle handle structure allows for effortless modifications. The Omega Pro has the same 3.4:1 gear ratio as the standard Omega, as well as anti-reverse, left or right hand retrieval, and a line capacity of 85 yards using 6-pound test line. When jigging, cranking in buzz bait, or tricking those largemouth bass with a popper, a rapid retrieve of 14 inches each turn gives you more control. Zebco reels are popular among bass fishermen of all ages because of their steady performance. One of the top spincast reels combines 5 stainless steel ball bearings with twin titanium pins, an instant anti-reverse bearing, and an aluminum housing. Its braid-ready spool allows you to directly tie your fishing line to it, making for a more sturdy anchor point. You have complete control over how much or how little resistance you give the fish on the other end of your line, thanks to the spool-applied drag mechanism. This high-quality spin casting reel has a lot of line capacity. The Pflueger President Spincast Reel can handle monofilament fishing line in sizes 10, 12, and 15, as well as braided line up to 20 pounds. Third choice in our list is Zebco Bullet Spincast Reel. This reel features a patented no-tangle design, making it easy to use for both beginners and experienced anglers. The size 30 spincast reel is designed with a forged aluminum and double anodized front cover, grip M all-weather handle knobs, an anodized aluminum spinner head and an oscillating quick-change spool that's in a class well above all other spincast reels. They introduced the first 9-bearing spincast reel with the Omega reel, and it's still a fierce competitor in the market at a price that's surprisingly low. The Zebco Omega's 9-bearing system is by far its most distinguishing characteristic. It was the first spincast reel ever to have that many bearings packed into the buttery smooth mechanics. Because of the Omega's ceramic low-friction guide, this problem is alleviated. As with most reels, you'll be able to convert the retrieval crank to either left or right-hand operation. There's also the normal top-mounted drag adjuster we've been accustomed to. Number 4 in our side is Zebco Omega Spincast Fishing Reel. The Omega Spincast is a closed-cast fishing reel that comes pre-spooled with 10-pound Zebco fishing line. This reel features a comfortable, soft-touch thumb button for smooth and easy casting. This reel features 7 bearings, a 16-inch retrieve rate, right/left hand retrieve, and all metal gears to stand tough for many fishing adventures to come. The Omega brings an elevated fishing experience to a trusted spincast. The instant anti-reverse technology on this reel helps you secure your next prized catch, enhancing any fishing trip due to its smooth feel and reliability. With a mono capacity of 85 by 10, this reel is especially ideal for taking aim at your favorite heavy species such as walleye, bass, catfish, and striper. Set a new gold standard for angling achievement with Omega. Last in our top 5 best Spincast reel list is Abu Garcia Abumatic 170 Spincast. Abu Garcia's Spincast reel is a one-of-a-kind reel that not only performs well but also looks great. Because of its ultra-smooth carbon matrix drag technology, you may expect the most control on your line. It features 4 ball bearings for a smooth operation. Furthermore, you may modify your drag to accommodate any condition that may develop when reeling. Finally, it comes pre-spooled, which saves you time and allows you to go out on the lake faster. It comes pre-spooled with Berkley Trilene XL line and has an ultra-smooth drag system with a maximum setting of 8 pounds, so it's ready to go right out of the box for high-intensity action. Even with the biggest fish battling you on the other end of the line, the immediate anti-reverse system design avoids backlash, and the 3.6 to 1 gear ratio provides smooth, strong retrieves. Your line may break, but not your spin casting reel. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.